Mass Media. Hello po, thank you for the time.
And thank you so much for being here with us and share your insights sa album mo. Kaya naman, it is now time para sa ating friends from the media and the press. The floor is now open to ask Fana a couple questions about the album, maybe about Fana herself.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
First of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I am Andrea from Pop Magazine. My question is, what was your inspiration sa pagsulat ng album or songs?
Actually, fantasy ko kasi talaga yung ganitong topic. Kasi it's rare na usually kasi love songs and heartbroken songs. So, sabi ko, what if mag-create tayo ng topic na wake-up call sa lahat ng mga naloko or naka-experience ng, abusive relationships, something like that, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Who's next? Ayan.
Po, congratulations on your album.
Thank you so much.
From Radar PH po, my question is, ano po yung favorite song nyo dun sa album and why is it your favorite?
Hala, actually mahirap yung question na yan kasi lahat sila favorite ko. Pwede bang tatlo? Ang hirap kasi
Top 3.
top 3. So for me, siguro meron pero wala. Oh my gosh, ang hirap. Tabla tayo. And overthinking, yeah.
Overthinking. Thank you.
Thank you. Ako kasi, I'm the type of person na, alam niyo, gusto ko po talaga yung unique. And when it comes to my style of singing, ganun din. And yun yung gusto ko din with my music, na ganito yung topic. And medyo kakaiba siya. Yung gusto ko po kasi medyo kakaiba. And marami din naman makaka-relate since maraming galing sa situationships and mga walang label na relationships. So, yes.
Actually, I like that you touch on situationships kasi diba, it's something that we don't touch often. Laging breakups lang.
Yes.
Or yung yun nga, abusive relationships. Pero
Yeah.
situationships is very unique. So, siguro, di na lang ako magdadive into the personal thing. Pero, why situationships yung parang kailangan natin bigyan ng attention sa music?
Kasi it's very dangerous yung situationship. Kapag alam niyo yung mga ibang relationship na sobrang pag tumagal, mas lalong masakit. And minsan sa mental health din ng ibang tao, nakaka-apekto siya. Kaya gusto ko pagtuunan ng pansin itong situationship. Para doon lang tayo sa may label. Kasi mas okay yun, may assurance ka, di ba, na love talaga ako nito. Kasi mahirap yung pinapaasa ka lang. Yes.
Thank you so much, Fanny.
Thank you so
Congratulations.
much. Thank you.
Hi. You're also known as yung sa pagpe-perform mo ng mga urban style ng music.
Yes,
Tapos
po.
at the same time, nag-excel ka pa din sa yung parang traditional pop music. So
Opo.
so paano mo nababalance yun sa sa dito sa album mo?
Ako naman po kasi, as a singer, open naman po ako sa pag-explore ng iba-ibang styles. And dito naman sa, kung ano rin po yung hinihingi ng song, yun lang din yung binigay ko, yung pagkaka-interpret ko. Kaya, yun po. Ganun ko po siya binabalance eh. Kung ano lang din po yung hinihingi ng song. Yeah.
Tapos second question. So you also get to work from time to time with si Apple Diab. So
Yes.
so how is it like working with him and ano yung mga natututunan mo under his mentorship?
So Coach Apple is one of the artists I look up to since I was a kid. And it's a privilege to share the stage with him. Talagang every time na nagpo-perform ako with him, sobrang saya ng puso ko kasi it's a dream come true. And I just want to thank Coach Apple for giving me the chance to, perform with him and the songs of Black Eyed Peas. And kaya, ayun, sobrang napapasalamat ako and grateful ako sa kanya na naniniwala siya sa akin with my talent. And
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you share to us the story about sa Tabla Tayo?
Tabla Tayo. It is written by the amazing Dana Balagtas, who wrote Marupok, and also Sir Jonathan Manalo. So, they wrote Tabla Tayo. And Tabla Tayo is very, it holds a unique and heartfelt significance. Kasi ano siya eh, kakaiba yung song na yun. Kasi it's all about, acceptance. Acceptance. Wala nang laban, wala ring galit. Just two people who did what they could sa relationship.
And aside from the, ano pa abangan ng mga fans sa'yo for the next following projects or series?
Syempre, more music coming. And ito talaga, itong mga ilalabas natin ay, ito talaga yung sound ni Fana talaga. So this album is introduction for my upcoming songs and shows. Yes, hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congrats again.
Thank you.
So, a question could be, what does this album teach you about love na you realize or you didn't know before or you had to realize again? Yun. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Bucky.
What does the album teach you about love that you didn't know before or maybe you had to be reminded of?
Know your worth. Kasi sometimes we love too much and we forget about ourselves. So it talks about, it teaches you how to love yourself more. Self-love. Yeah.
Ikaw, how do you show self-love to yourself?
OMG. Syempre, you know your limits din. I mean, when you love, magtira ka din for yourself. And hindi lahat, balance lang, kumbaga. Balance lang yung binibigay mo. And yeah, for me, ganun lang din ako. I always think of myself first before bago ako pumasok sa relationship.
Like, mga other things, like not love, maybe just activities, how do you show self-love?
Self-love?
Like, activities when you're not working, do you like to go to the spa or eat something nice?
Yeah. Medyo vain din kasi ako. So, I like to take care of myself. Work out. What else? Magpaganda, ganyan. Yeah, that's how I show myself love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lakas naman.
Wow.
Gusto ko kasi yung question na yun.
Paganda.
Is there anyone else that has a question or questions for Hannah?
Madali.
Ayun na yung realizations. Doon na lumalos yung realizations. And, kasi when we're in love, hindi pa natin na-realize yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga, kung ano mga bagay na hindi naman dapat. But, pag nasaktan na tayo, doon na natin nare-realize. So, mas prominent yung heartbreak talaga dito sa album na to. And, later, you'll get to watch and to listen sa mga, lalo na sa lyrics sa mga songs later. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
May question ako.
Ano yun?
Sa lahat ng songs mo na tungkol sa heartbreak, anong song na pinaka nakarelate ka?
Ako?
Oo.
Ala.
Sorry naman, na-curious talaga ako.
Heartbreak?
Or pinaka masakit?
Well, lahat sila masakit. Pero feeling ko masakit pa rin yung meron pero wala. Kasi, ang hirap talaga pag, alam mo yun, akala mo meron. Meron. Pero wala. Alam mo yun, akala mo meron pero wala. And, alam mo yung pag tumagal siya, sobrang sakit nun. Tapos makikita mo na lang siya sa iba.
Uy! Meron pero wala. Okay.
Yeah.
Does anyone else have any questions para kay Pano? Ayun.
Hello po.
Hi, Fana. Congratulations. I think part of your musical journey din na yung reinvention or evolution of yourself. How would you describe your style now? May nagbago ba over the years?
Well, before kasi, bata mo. So now, I wanna show myself as, fierce, edgy, but palaban. Alam mo yung palaban na ako. Ay, palaban ako. But, yeah, palaban, in a good way naman. Yeah.
And if meron kang gustong ma-manifest in your career, given New Year ngayon, ano yun?
Of course, hit song and concert. Yes. Yung na-manifest ko na yan, kiniklaim ko na yan. And collaborations with other artists as well. Thank you.
Sino yung top 3 collaborations na gusto mong gawin?
Hello.
Top 3, top 3.
Okay. So, for me, hello. Sarah G pa rin. Sarah G, kasi hindi ko pa siya naka-collaborate sa original song. Sobrang idol ko kasi si Ate Sarah G.
Coach mo yun sa The Voice
Yes,
days?
Coach Lara. And of course, Coach Apple Diab. Yes, kasi I always listen to Black Eyed Peas dati pa. And Miss Casey na din.
Bagay.
Yeah, isa din siya sa mga artists na talagang nilook up ko.
Nice.
Ayun, may dagdag lang pong question. Ang daming nakakaranas ng situationship on TikTok and different social media accounts. Ang dami din nating mga singer-songwriters na sumusulat about it. So, what are your message po sa kanila, sa mga singer-songwriter natin like you na nagsusulat about situationship experience nila, ganun?
I encourage them to, write more songs about, situationships. And, ayun, sana dumami pa kasi mabuhay ang OPM, di ba? And it's important na marami din makarelate na tao. Kasi very dangerous talaga yung situationship.
Ayun, lastly po, ang tawag dito, is there any heartbreak po kayo na pwedeng i-share or any hirap na naranasan while doing this album?
This album,
Ayun, paano?
hello. Well, yung mga challenges naman, so far, hindi naman ako masyadong nahirapan kasi sobrang gagaling ng mga makasama ko to write these songs, and sa mga producers like Sir Jonathan Manalo, Darren Cashwell, and sobrang galing nila katrabaho. And siguro yung only challenge for me is sana 2 years ago talaga yung original plan for my album, pero kasi alam niyo yung hindi mo pa talaga fully hindi ka pa fully handa na ilabas. So now, na ayun, nakapag-write pa ng ibang song, sabi ko, eto na yun. Yeah, it's time. So I'm so happy na sobrang smooth lang and sobrang ganda ng mga songs. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.